Hi everyone, this is Mr. Noop. Today I'm going to show you one website. It's called makemeacocktail.com. So this website helps you make the world's best cocktail using whatever resources that you have. So you can come to this website and you can see the various books that is available about cocktails. You can explore the cocktails that is available. You can go to your own bar. You can go to your bar. You need to sign up to save the ingredients in your bar. So now you can search for popular ingredients that is there. Let's say beer, or you say wine. If you search for it, you'll get this champagne. Now you can select the ingredients here. Now see what are my ingredients that is available. Using this, if I want to make a cocktail, I can make it. Give us something more to make it. I'm gonna say this. Yeah, and sherry liquors, I'm gonna choose some of these things. Beer, I'm gonna choose this. Yeah, okay, so I have chosen all those things. Now I'm saying I'm gonna make a cocktail. Now the cocktails I can make out of this is 8 ingredients that is available. Sorry about that, but we cannot find any cocktails that matches your search criteria. So maybe I am not good at making cocktails. You have to put in few more ingredients. Let's say soft drinks. Let me put few more ingredients. Energy drinks, iced tea, lemonade. And now let me put in few wines. Okay, so there are around 18 ingredients. I don't know how to make cocktail, that's why I'm finding it difficult. Let me see, make me a cocktail. Okay, so that worked. So you have various cocktails available here from Arnold Palmer, Cider Shandy, Fang Banger. So now if I click on it, it will show me how to make these things. What are ingredients that I need for it? So now if I look at this, I see one more. How to make it? That is mentioned here using the ingredients that I have. If you go to explore, you can see various cocktails that has been already there. You can find based on the drinks that you have. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.